Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick product review, and the reason why I had a younger locksmith reach out to me and ask me a question, and I told him inverters are nice. I also like to have another backup. I've actually had my inverter go out, and I had a customer get mad at me because I was installing, my inverter went out, and I had power ran from the vehicle to there, but did the job. I had to plug in a third place, and they wanted to know how much I was going to knock off for using their electricity. With that being said, I've had this bad boy for almost 2 years. I'll tell you, probably I've had mixed reviews when I looked up online. I'm gonna tell you right now, I like it. It does have a little sound to it, which I'm not worried, but I will tell you right now, I turned it on, I can hear the little fan on the inverter, but I just plugged in my power strip, and right now to show you, I just turned on the Condor off this little inverter. Then we can turn around and come over here. Oh, got my light right there. Oh, come on. Got a little mini mic. It comes on, and it didn't flicker. When you find one of these, watch for the sales, but I'd say add it to your collection, because this duplicator is battery backed up, battery powered actually. This little bad boy here has covered me in many situations. I still run an inverter. I do have the Magnus power bank. Video will get dropped on that later. But hey, if you like these kind of videos and helpful stuff for you folks out in the locksmith field, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the notification, give me a thumbs up, let me know if this is even helping you at all. Thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.